Should you buy the new iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro? Wanderlust. The theme for Apple's annual iPhone refresh captures what many Apple fangirls and fanboys experience before each big iPhone launch. There were no real surprises this year. Yes, those leaks and rumors are getting better each year. We saw 4 new iPhones in a move that didn't deviate much from last year's iPhone 14 lineup. India is one of the few countries in the world where the iPhone hit retail shelves on September 22. This should come as no surprise, given India's stature as one of the key global markets for the Cupertino-based brand. And this year again, most Indian consumers will ask the same question at a time when buying peaks, thanks to the festive season: should I buy one of the new 2023 iPhones? And the inevitable follow-up question: which iPhone should I buy? The answer might well depend on which phone or iPhone you currently own. iPhone updates radical overhaul. The build-up to each iPhone launch always prompts that big question: will the year see a major overhaul of the iPhone or an iterative upgrade? 2023 might go down as a year where the iPhone lineup saw a significant upgrade. This was no radical overhaul like the iPhone X back in 2017, and yet there are some noticeable differences that will have a significant impact on user experiences. For new iPhones, it's clear that the iPhone 15 is now the only option for those seeking a small smartphone. This is the second successive year where Apple has not launched a mini version. 6.1 inches might well be the new minimum threshold for a small smartphone, as big screen smartphones are here to stay. The iPhone 15 Plus is Apple's battery champ. The iPhone 14 Plus TV commercial of a man in a farm truck with 2 miles an hour by Ludacris was a fun yet clear reinforcement of the Plus version's battery creds. The iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max come with key design, camera and hardware upgrades, including the new A17 Pro chip. Dynamic Island all the way. The iPhone 15 inherits 2 key features from last year's Pro twins. Both iPhone 15 models are powered by the A16 Bionic chip and also feature Dynamic Island, Apple's pill-shaped cutout that creates new interaction capabilities for the iPhone. Hello, USB-C charging. This was widely expected. Apple finally made the switch from the Lightning connector that we first saw in 2012 on the iPhone 5 to the more universal USB Type-C cable. This is particularly convenient if you're already using a newer iPad or MacBook. Titanium push. The 15 Pro and Pro Max get a major design update, and we're not talking about the cool new action button that can be used as a hotkey to fire up your chosen app we first saw on the Apple Watch Ultra last year. These premium iPhones are finished in a titanium alloy case with an aluminum substructure that makes these the lightest Pro models in a while. Camera upgrades. Both the entry-level iPhone 15 and the Pro versions get improved rear shooters. The iPhone 15 main camera is now 48 megapixels and gets a low-light performance boost thanks to pixel binning. Both Pro variants feature a 48MP primary lens with a larger sensor and coated lenses for fewer reflections. The Pro Max version offers 5x zoom with a unique tetraprism design. The Pro Max version offers 5x zoom with a unique tetraprism design. The Pro Max version offers 5x zoom with a unique tetraprism design. Should you upgrade, Android user, the iPhone 15 Plus might be your best bet. You get the large screen experience that you might be accustomed to on an Android phone and also better battery life than the smaller iPhone 15. Apple is also offering trade-ins on Android phones. On the Apple India website, own an iPhone 14 or an iPhone 14 Pro, you can sit this one out unless you like to upgrade your phones every year.